Good morning, class 4. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today we will discuss about chapter 3, that is reproduction in animals. In the previous lectures we had discussed about reproduction, that it is a process by which animals produce an organism of their own kind, and it helps to maintain the continuity of their life on this planet Earth. Then we discussed about that animals reproduce by two ways. The first is by laying eggs and the second is by giving birth to young babies. So then we discussed about birds, that birds produce eggs and sit on them till their hatching. That means birds keep them warm. Then we discussed about the structure of an egg. So what happened? The structure of an egg, the outer shell was a hard cover. Then comes the jelly-like part that we called albumin, which is rich in protein. Then we discussed about the yolk part, which is rich in fats, vitamins and minerals, and this part is used by the embryo as the food. So this much we discussed in the previous videos. Now today we will discuss about the reproduction in fish. So first we have to understand that fishes lives in water, that is, it is an aquatic animal, and for this to survive their babies in this condition, to maintain their continuity, they produce thousands of eggs, and the structure of their egg is a little bit different from the structure of a egg of a bird. How? The egg doesn't have a hard outer cover. They have a jelly-like structure which surround the internal part of the egg. So this way these eggs can swim in water. They do not sink, they can swim in water. And after that we have to understand that in the water there are several animals or organisms which eats the eggs of the fish. So this huge number, thousands numbers of eggs help in the process of reproduction. That maybe if half of the egg also destroyed by the enemies, then half survive, and somehow the number of fishes will maintain in the atmosphere or in the will maintain in the environment. So this way fishes survive, or fish survive in aquatic environment. So class, in this chapter this much we discussed. I hope you all understand this topic well, and see this video again and again. If any problem, ask me, I will help you. Have a great day class. Be safe at home. Thank you.